Good morning, Jof from Motorhome Adventures, and today I'm just doing a little job that I've been meaning to do for a little while actually, and I just started doing the job and I thought, right, I really need to put this on a video really, just in case anybody wants to have a look at their fridge vents. So in the winter time we put in these fridge vent covers. So yeah, like I say, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna whip this cover off a minute. There's the vented cover. So yeah, I'd already taken that off this morning, and what the name of the game is to install these covers, which in the winter time make the fridge run more effectively. And number one for me as well, it tends to keep the rain out, because these the rain, if you get it vortexing around, it tends to go in, it can damage in the back of the fridge, and obviously you've got wires in here and stuff. So that's one of the reasons I love it. But obviously it makes, in colder temperatures, it makes the fridge run more efficiently. I've just got my polish as well, because I'm a bit of a demon for cleaning it all out. So I'm just going to have a little, what I tend to do is give it a little there was quite a lot of debris in here, and like I say, I started cleaning it all out, and then I thought, right, I need to show the guys, because look, see that dirt in there, a lot of debris kicking around, and I've already just wiped out a little bit of debris, so I'm just going to give it a quick wipe round. And this will be the first job on my super duper ladder, because the other one, the other vent, is up there, so I need my little ladder to get up there. So I'm just going to have a little wipe round, just make sure everything's nice and neat, clean around like that. Yeah, surprising. You know, we go down in the beach areas and stuff. You do get a lot of sand. It blows around. Not that we've been to many beaches recently in North Wales, but now when we actually go south. But yeah, that's looking pretty nice. That's pretty good. So what we'll do now is select our vent cover. There she is. She basically sits. Like that. And then these here have got little oh, let me just wipe them around a minute. They've got little locating on the bottom of the thing, so they just locate. Basically we're just going to locate them under there like that, and then in with the top, and there, inside there, there's the cover, installed nice. Another couple of rungs on the ladder, probably get up. Oh, look at that. Let's go one more. Up there, it goes along the side like that. That's perfect, look at that. Let's go up and have a look. So I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm up to the level 4 steps. There you go, look at that. There. So again, surprising how much debris goes in around there. I'm actually that's 5 steps, 6 steps, and I'm up on top of the roof now. So I'm contemplating giving my roof a bit of a birthday today, so we'll have a look around. I did do it not that long ago actually, but I'll give it a real good birthday. But let's get that other cover, and I'm just going to wipe around here a little bit. Surprising how much debris, that green from trees, and wipe along there. Look at that. There we go. Clogs up in there. Give it a little wipe around. that. Make sure everything's nice and clean inside there. Got to think of cold beer. Yeah, cold beer, good food in the freezer box. Yeah, that's superb. Right, I'll just go back down and get my other cover. There she is. So again, up in there like that. Cover goes in there. Stay. Because I think I just wanted to wipe, well, it's not too bad, just wipe this off a little bit. That's right, it's neat. Okay, just open the catches up and locate again at the bottom. Locate that nicely and push that in at the top, and there she goes. There we go. Snap it in. There she is. Lovely. Another little job done. Excellent. I've just come further up on my ladder after doing that. I looked up on the roof and I thought, yeah, I'm going to do my skylights a little bit with a bit of this polish, and that is looking really nice. Let's see what that buffs off like. Look at that. Of course, it's just going to be so good to be able to clean all these sky hatches, roof hatches, wherever I am. That's going to be seeing the stars out of there. Absolutely. That's amazing. Just still using some of this polish I got from when we were up at Glebe Farm, Robin Lynn's charity event up there in the summer. I went down to Cheshire Detailing Products and picked up some of their products. And they donated a little pack to everybody. It was really nice, so it was good to give them some support. And they do some good swag. This smells, this is banana scented wet wax. It smells incredible, I must admit. Beautiful. Look at the shine on that. That is unbelievable. Right, I think I'm going to whack some of this on the roof to start having a little rub around on the roof, and I think that's going to be the mission for this morning. So I'm going to crack on and see how we get on, and I'll show you some of the results in a bit. Yeah, so the cleaning operation is going really well, and I've just come up on the, well, yeah, I'm doing the roof. As you can see, it's looking really nice. And I've just come up on the roof, and on my like awning, I've just wound it out a little bit because it's just like green right the way along there, and in the channel down below there's a lot of debris just in that little channel. So I've just got my little brush and I'm going to just sweep it all out. Sweep it all. Get it loosen up all the debris. I'm going to polish this edge off then, clean that right up. But yeah, there's a lot of just debris sat in there. Just want to get that that green. It's only green stuff, trees and stuff, pollen. Yeah, we're still going on the motorhome, still cleaning. Yeah, come down from the roof a little bit and just working around the front end. But I just came across, which are quite important, down on the bottom of the windscreen, there's the, you got the wiper arm goes in there. There's these little holes down here. Now these are for letting the water escape, and they do, I've just pulled out a load of leaves. And I do that quite often, and I thought I'm just going to mention that because it's very important, because if this tends to like clog up, the water will lie in there and it will gradually seep in behind your dashboard. So there's one either side of the windscreen. So yeah, we're just wiping around, just doing the black plastic coming around. But yeah, just come across them and I thought, another valid point for anybody watching this video. Just in the mirror arms, ladder's still up there, still working around the front end, so it's coming out nice, shiny. So just coming around, I'm just coming around all the door jambs now, and I'm using a bit of this Auto Gleam vinyl care, just squirting out all the rubber and the mats, freshening all that up, and yeah. Just gives it a nice sort of zesty smell with it as well. It's really cool. Put polish all around the door jambs. Cleaning all up around the door jambs. Giving it a real birthday today. But yeah, when I first got this van, I put this rubber matting on here because it was quite slippery on this plastic. Is quite a slippery surface for when you're getting in and out. So that's been added for extra grip. Surprising how much debris you just get in all these little rubbers and stuff. Just trying to get around all the little bits and pieces. A serious bit of detailing today, but for December you can't beat it. Right, that is not too bad around there. It's all looking pretty cool. All the mats. I've done the driver's side already. Been right round. Okay, we'll leave it there for a second. It's doing the tyres. Bit of this, give them one lap. But this stuff is amazing. Coming round. Yeah, that's that CDS High Shine tyre dressing, Cheshire Detailing Supplies. I'm just going to come around with the cloth now. Bit more wax on the wheel. Looks like the end of the cleaning today anyway. The rain's set in now, but I just wanted to show you guys how clean the roof is now, and how beading it is on the surface with it polish on. Well chuffed for that now. Managed to do the solar panel, cleaned all the roof hatches, and yeah, from inside it's like $1 million now. Absolutely lovely. Oh, squeaky. Not squeaky keen. Got the tyres dressed and polished up with the help of this monster bit of kit. What an asset that is now. Absolutely love it. As seen in yesterday's video. Just finishing off with a bit of their cherry glaze now, and this stuff, it just smells so nice, and it's just leaving such a nice sheen on it. I'm just going to come down that side of the motorhome and see if you can see the sheen that's leaving down the side. Amazing. Smack it on. Yeah, it's literally virtually a rub on and rub off product, but great results. I'm just walking between the showers today. It's just had a bit of a shower, but it's eased off again, so I'm hardly come to very much. So I'm just going to crack on and get a bit more of this on. This is fantastic.